Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. I'm here with my buddy.
Baldjad again.
And in today's video we are going to talk about the Retrobit Game Collection Brawler Pack.
An official multi-card.
Really awesome. This one is like a multi-card, 4-in-1, 4 awesome games in one cartridge.
4 beat-em-ups.
It's licensed, so it's an official product. So no China stuff, so no package from China this time.
For the SNES.
Let's see what's inside this little package.
Indeed.
So what comes inside the package? What I really love about it is that what you're going to get extra with it. It comes of course with this little manual. It's not very special. It's very funny to see.
Yeah, you can fold it open.
Fold it open this way.
Oh, that's weird.
That's a really weird thing.
Stickers or?
Oh wait, what? It's an instruction manual, but it folds up like this. It was really weird. Alright, funny, but yeah.
But at least it got a manual. Nowadays games don't have it even.
Yeah, indeed. Got these 2 little pins, the cartridge itself comes with extra stickers. I really love this one, like a boss.
Like a funny.
Really funny.
Hey punk,
are you tough?
No, are you
tough enough? Yeah, I really love it. So it's very funny that he put these extra little goodies, gimmicks, and yeah, stickers. As a collector, you're not going to stick it on something because that's a waste.
You want to have it complete and
yeah.
Protective shelf. Very nice.
On the cartridge, so for dust and any other things. They have this custom cartridge.
It's their own design.
So that is very unique and very awesome. So yeah, let's test out some games, and we're going to test it out on their system. The Super Trio. So alright, Super Retro Trio Plus. Yeah, whatever. I can't still. Oh, I hate that name. So let's play some games. And the first thing that we're going to get is this menu. Of course, it's unique.
Published by Retrobit 2017. Press the start button.
Yeah, I just pressed it twice, but it's a very slow outro.
And this is the game menu.
Serious? Wow, this menu is freaking slow.
Yeah, but
Brawl Brothers.
It has only 4 games, so.
And I need to press the start button a couple of times.
Relax.
Right. Brawl Brothers.
This is actually the only game I known back at my childhood. The other 3 games I never heard of, but I've heard from somebody else that the games that I wanted are pretty decent fighting, beat 'em up games.
We're going to play with Master Bison.
Yeah, that's a.
So we needed to do that.
It's a clone of him, that's for sure.
They're ripping off each other. Back in the day, they were doing it. How creative.
The naughty guys.
He walks like a really macho man.
Yeah, man.
I am a macho ninja.
The big muscles.
You talk to my fist. And I'll cut you open.
Candy bar. Go get the candy bar. Yeah. We love candy.
Jaleco. Next game. Rival Turf. Yeah, I can start. Finally.
It has 2 play option.
Yep, like the first one.
Another bison clone.
And again the bicycle. How creative again. What is this?
That's what you're calling a kick in the
and
air.
And also he walks like a macho man. Oh, I was not finished with my combo when he was already lying. Why do you have a helmet? Wow. Yeah, from behind, of course. You pussy. And now we walk away. This looks weird. Alright, what is this for game?
And we've got a nice intro.
Sounds promising.
Oh, Just the story, please. Zazie. Vort.
Hey, from Holland.
Really?
Yeah, seriously, was standing on. 28, age 31, Holland.
Is this kind of Street Fighter game or?
Oh.
Every time you got hit, the game pauses a few seconds.
Yeah, indeed. Or they need to recalculate the damage or something like that.
Yeah. Man!
Alright, the fourth and the last game. Oh, they didn't say Jaleco. Jaleco this time. Let me think of the jelly. It's been a month.
What? This is a PAL game and they've put the Japanese ROM on it. OMG. People, this is not an unofficial China release multi-card.
No.
And if this game have never been released in Europe, at least translated or something, added the game or the ROM. Maybe it was not possible anymore, but that's a bummer. At least the gameplay is fine. You really feel that you have contact with your enemies in this game. Oh, that's a nice move.
So for the final conclusion, if you want to play Brawl Brawlers, this is a very cheap option. It's fun that they just put 4 games on it, like a mini multi-card licensed. But yeah, my buddy here was raging before we were recording because the last game was not even in English. It was just in Japanese port.
Yeah, it's very cheap and you only see that with those knockoff multi-card unofficial stuff.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm really surprised they didn't put an English version on it, or maybe it doesn't exist. I don't know the game, so maybe it only has been released in Japan.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. We really love to know.
But yeah, seriously, they could have translated it like many other never released games.
Holy Diver, for example.
Yeah, of other games like the Castlevania on the PS4. But yeah, they didn't. They just put the Japanese ROM on it and
Just reselled it or sold it. Yeah. So yeah, that concludes a little bit of video. This is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, and see you next time.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.